Kia ora e hoa, Ma. I'm so excited to see you. Welcome to Toy Time. Whoa! Kei te rongo koutou. It's the Toy Time trumpets. Let's go.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama Jojo Ma Wolfie on marimba. And we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Maya! Tama! Jojo! Buzz! Anika! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
1, 2. Oh, kia ora te mai te whānau. It's the Toy Time Sports Day. I'm Maya and I love to lift weights. 3. Oh, 6,743. Oh,
Oh, hi. Kia ora, Maya. Hi, I'm Tama, and I love to play basketball.
kia ai. Kia ora, ko Jojo Ho, and I love to do martial arts. And we are Team Toy. Well done, everybody. We're all warmed up and we're ready to play some sports today.
And it's funny because weightlifting, martial arts, basketball are all really different, but they're all sports. So, what is sport?
Hey, Mohio.
Tēnā koutou. How can I help you today?
Mohio, what is sport?
Sport is a physical activity that people do to move their bodies and keep fit. Each sport has a set of rules that you have to follow.
Like, when you're lifting weights, you have to look straight ahead, keep your shoulders back, and your puku tight. This helps to protect your tinana, your body.
That's right, Maya. But do you know what the most important thing about sport is?
What?
To have fun.
I like the sound of that. Who's ready to play some sport? We are! Okay.
My dad likes watching rugby. My bro likes skiing in the snow. My mum likes playing soccer. I think my favorite's mini golf. What sports do you like playing? Don't have to pick just one. Everybody is welcome. So let's all go have fun. Eppa, 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 let's throw. Oma, 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 now run. Hopoo, 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 try catch. Playing sports with friends in the sunshine. My sister's great at tennis, and she likes yoga too. My grandpa's good at swimming. Our neighbor has a big canoe. What sports do you like playing? Don't have to pick just one. Every
everybody is welcome. So let's all go have fun. Epa, 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 let's throw. Oma, 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 now run. Hopu, 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 try catch. Playing sports with friends in the sunshine. Epa, 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 let's throw. Oma, 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 now run. Hopu, 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 try catch. Playing sports with friends in the sunshine.
Wow, Summer, this looks really fun.
Is it a new sport?
It sure is. It's called boxer ball. Get it? Box it ball? You can play basketball even if you don't have a hoop. Want to play?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Good luck, Maya.
Good luck, Jojo.
Welcome back, everybody. You're just in time for the Toy Time Boxer Ball Championship match between Ngātoaha Kinakina Maya and Jojo. The aim of the game is to stand in the shooting circle and throw your balls into the box. Each time you land a ball in the box, you get 1 point. It's the best of 3.
Got it.
Maya, you're up first. Both feet in the circle.
Yep.
Go for it. 1 point. Two points.
Great job, Maya.
Well done, Maya. Ugh.
Thanks, Ref. I tried my best, and I'm really happy with my performance.
You're up, Jojo.
Kia kaha, Jojo.
Okay.
Oh!
Whoa. Jojo, I don't think you're getting the game. You've got to get it in the... Oh, Jojo! Wow, nice try there, Jojo. And the winner is... Maya! Nice work. Well, that brings our coverage of today's Boxer Ball game to a close. It was an epic match between terrific sportswomen. Is there anything you'd like to say, Maya?
Oh, yes. Yes, I'd like to thank Jojo for being an awesome teammate and Tama for being the world's best referee.
Amazing. Okay, and is there anything you'd like to say, Jojo?
This was a really cool game, huh? I like to start this sport and see how awesome it is.
Inspiring words, Jojo, and from this beautiful Wahine tour. We'll see you again next time.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Hey, today we're off to find my favouriteest team in the world, the All Blacks. Hua ke tātou. Hey, cuzzies, look who I found. This is Sam. He's gonna show me what it takes to become the best All Black ever.
Kia ora hoa, no mai haere mai ki te Wairoa o Pongo. Today we're going to see what it's like to make shape and be an All Black from the grounds root up. And no better place to start than Te Whatu, the Motu Stone. This has been gifted to us by Ngāi Tahu, and we've had it for the last 5 years. And when the All Blacks don't play, we're lucky enough to have this at the All Blacks experience, and this travels around with them everywhere they go around the world, and we invite people to come and touch it and give their mana and their aroha.
Cuzzies, if you're in town, come down here and put some of your mana and your aroha into the stone, just like this.
All right,
Where to next, bro?
come follow me through, Buzz. Let's go and have a bit of fun.
All right, come on. These are the changing rooms. They look exactly the same as the ones in Eden Park. Check it out.
Can you hear that? Here you go, bro. You've made the team. Let's see if you've got what it takes to wear the black jersey. Let's go.
That was amazing, Sam. Oh,
Buzz, it's game day. You've made the team. Let's go and see what you got, eh?
okay, come on. Whoa! Let's work on our passing, eh, Whānau? Come on. TJ's open. Yes, there we go. TJ's open again. Catch the ball, TJ. Okay, let's see if my lineouts are any better. Yeah. Got it. Suck. Got it. Yeah. All right, my cuzzies, we're gonna kick some goals. Look what I got, 47. Oh, thank you, Whānau. Now I'm gonna work on my agility. Let's go. Huss. Oh, I think I did really well today. Let's go see what the bro reckons. How did I do, bro? Am I an All Black yet?
I'll tell you what, Buzz, if you put that ball down, we've got a nice little surprise for you here. Look what that is.
It's the Rugby World Cup. Oh, I'm a champion. Hey, cuzzies, if you want a little bit of an All Black experience, come down here. See us next time. Ka kite.
We're doing the hokey pokey. Join in with us. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. To wai wai ki roto, to wai wai ki waho, to wai wai ki roto, to ruri ruri hia. Kei te hope hope au, kei te huri huri au, kei te paki paki au e. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your whole body in, you put your whole body out, you put your whole body in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. And that's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Phew! All this exercise makes me thirsty. Refreshing.
Knock, knock.
I know who that is.
I said knock, knock.
Who's there? Doesn't who?
Doesn't anyone want to let me in?
Ah, don't buzz the cunt.
Yeah, good to see us. Oh, I heard you were having a sports day, so I brought my most sportiest toy. I'll give you a clue. It starts with G and rhymes with Tolf.
A sport that starts with G and rhymes with
Tolf.
Solve. Golf.
Yes, you got it.
Yeah. Let's play.
Oh, come on. Kia ora, my cuzzies, and welcome back to Jojo and Buzz's golf game.
Buzz,
What's up, cuz?
I don't actually know how to play golf.
Oh, that's all good because Buzz does. The aim of the game is to get this golf ball into that hole with this golf club.
Oh, got it.
Watch me do it. Here I go. I'm doing that.
Oh.
Oh, I missed the house. Around it. 2! I got it in 2! You have a go now, Jojo.
Okay.
Yeah. What was that? A hole in one. I can't believe it. Hey, Jojo, you gotta show me how to do that.
Oh, of course, cuz. Find my ear hole.
All right.
Okay, so slight bend in the knees. Look to where you're going.
Where am I going?
That way, Buzz. Breathe in.
Where am I going?
Follow through. Follow through.
Okay, give us another go. Where am I going? Where am I going? Yeah.
Come either way, Buzz. You did it.
I did it! Yeah!
Kia ora, I'm Auntie Anika, and this is my friend Ali Timu. She's a silver fern and she plays for the Robin Hood Stars. That basically means that she's a netball legend. He toa neti poro. We're playing a fun little game with a funny little name. This is Pinnacle.
Kuarite?
Aye. Okay. Pinnacle, pinnacle. 1, 2, 3. Bow, kiss, engage. There aren't many rules to pinnacle, but there is fair play. Like, it wouldn't be very right if I went like this.
Hey, that's cheating.
Soz. Okay, let's start again. Pinnacle, pinnacle. 1, 2, 3. Bow, kiss, engage. Oh, you're so good, Ali.
Thanks.
Do you practice that all the time? No. And whether you win or lose, remember to be a good sport. Good game, e hoa.
You too.
Thank you.
What a great Oma, Oma.
Oh,
Hey, Oma,
yeah.
your name means to run, eh?
Oh, it sure does. Because I'm the fastest rapidity you'll ever see.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, and it is super important for our tinana that we take the time to stretch and cool down.
Oh, what a great idea. That helps us to keep our muscles stretched out, doesn't it?
It sure does. Come on, let's do some together.
Oh. That feels really good. I feel super relaxed.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's try it in Māori. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Haringa whātu ki huaha e. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and head, shoulders, knees and head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
We love basketball. This is our team. I know some tracks. The steps sideways. When I'm dribbling. We can do 3-pointers. This is a 3-pointer. Let's try on the hoop. Forward and left. I'm going to do a 3-pointer. No, you didn't. We can shoot. It's so much fun.
Martial arts takes years to master, Tama. But through the balance of wisdom, strength, and kindness, it's amazing what you can achieve. Ready?
Kuriteo.
Go! Bow to me. And go. Move. Move. Okay.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, that's a little bit hard, Jojo.
I know, Tama. It's okay. Practice makes perfect. I know.
You're right. Ha! 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 Ha!
Big kick.
Kia!
Hi, Tama. That's us.
That's amazing. I can achieve anything.
You can do anything.
When I'm eating my brekkie, I really look forward to chomping on the eggies. I brush my teeth because I am cool. I brush my teeth before I go to school. I brush, 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 brush. I brush, brush, brush till they're clean. I love to brush my teeth with you. I brush, 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 it's the thing to do. My breath good? Is it good? When I'm eating my dinner, I really look forward to chomping. I'm a winner. I brush my teeth 'cause I love to eat. I brush my teeth before I go to sleep. I brush, 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 brush. I brush, brush, brush till they're clean. I love to brush my teeth with you. I brush, 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 it's the thing to do. Got great teeth, don't I? When I'm eating on the go, I really look forward to the time that I get home. I brush my teeth because I am cool. I brush my teeth after I am full. I brush, 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 brush. I brush, brush, brush till they're clean. I love to brush my teeth with you. I brush, 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 it's the thing to do. I brush, 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 brush. Is my breath okay? My teeth are lovely though, aren't they? Thank you.
Hey, Tama, would you like to play What's in
The box! Of course I would. I love this game.
All right, Tama, put your hand in and see what you can find.
All right. Ooh. Ooh. Kind of hard. Lumpy. Feels like a bone made out of metal. Are they knuckle bones?
Yes, but they're not real knuckle bones. They're pretend ones made from metal.
Oh.
Knuckle bones are so fun, and you can play them anywhere. Oh, would you like me to show you how to play?
Oh, sure.
Okay. So, you've got the knuckle bones on your hand, and then you throw them over like this. Oh,
Whoa.
4 out of 5. That's pretty good. And then you have to throw them over again like this. Oh,
Yeah!
3 out of 4. Would you like a go?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Kia kaha, Tama.
Oh! Whoopsies!
Uh-oh.
I just invented a new game. It's called Find the Knuckle Bones.
Oh, good game.
Tahi, rua.
Toru.
Hi. I love nipple. I start on the X. I try again. Does it X like that? So close. Yay! I got one. Yay! Yay! I got 3 goals. Yay! Lily. Yay! I love sports. I keep trying. Yay! Bye.
Talofa. I'm Lucky, and this is Story Time. Today's story is about Tavita and his big sister's favourite sport, Tawila's rugby game. Every Aso Tōnai Saturday, Tavita and his family watch his older sister Tawila play rugby. Tawila always sets her rugby gear out the night before game day. She sets out her red and black striped jersey, her white rugby shorts, and her long black socks by the edge of her bed. Tavita helps her clean the mud off her black and green rugby boots. Tawila and Mum also cut up a bag of oranges for the whole team to enjoy at half-time. Tawila plays rugby in the season of Ole Tau Malulu, so everybody dresses up in their warm winter clothes. Woolen jumpers, gumboots, gloves, beanies and umbrellas. Tavita puts on his fluffy green earmuffs too. The referee blows his whistle and Tawila kicks the ball high into the air. Her whole team chases the ball. Tavita is super excited for her sister. The other team catch the ball but drop it. Tawila picks up the ball and passes it to her teammate. They run down the field towards the try line. Her teammate passes it back to Tawila and she dives for the try. Woohoo! Go Tawila! Tavita yells out from the sidelines. The whole family cheers. Tawila smiles at them and joins her team as they jump for joy. So far, so far. We'll see you next time.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. I'll get there, no, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. I'll get there, no, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.